What's up, everybody? This is Jeremy. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different than I typically do. Instead of showing you guys an application, I'm going to be showing you guys a website. Um, Normally I wouldn't do that, but I came across this website not too long ago. I'd never heard of it or anything like that. I've seen websites somewhat similar to it, but I thought this website was really, really good. Uh, I'm sure most of you guys have heard of About.me. Basically, it's like a homepage that you can link people to, and just to let them know about you and blah 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 whatever. This website is actually the same idea, I guess, but it's much nicer. It's got a lot more to it, and I'm just going to go ahead and get in and show you this right now, and show you all the features and all that cool stuff. So yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start by bringing up my Safari browser. I'm going to go ahead and go to the website. It's called flavors.me. Like I said, it's kind of like about.me, but it's a lot cooler. Now I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering why you would even want a website like this. It's a cool way to, like, if you run into friends or somebody that you've not seen in a long time and they're probably going to want like your Facebook account and your Twitter, or different things like that. They're going to, ask you for those, and instead of having to go in and remember all these usernames or URLs and all this, you can just give them this one website, and it's going to have everything there together. So it's a really cool website for, like I said, friends, family that you've not seen in a long time, anything like that. And I'm sure you probably use it for like jobs. If you're like a freelance designer or something like that. I mean, there's all kinds of ways you could use this, but like I said, I'm mostly going to use it for like people I've not seen in a long time, stuff like that. But this is the web page you're going to see when you first get in here. I'm going to go to view my website, and then we'll go from there. And I'll show you how to do all the editing of it. This website, it looks like it probably took quite a bit to get all of this done on here, but it was actually really simple. You got your settings here, which I'm not really going to get into too much because I want to show you guys how to design these. It's $20 a year for the upgrade. You can use this for free, but there's definitely upgrades that make it worth it to go ahead and pay the $20 a year. You start out right here. You can click on information. You type your name, title, whatever you want to put. You put in some information about yourself, which you will see over here on the right. Really simple to do. You can put in HTML if you want. It shows you what you can use. Contact. This is like a little contact form, and you can customize what it says over on the right. You can change. This is one of the things you have to pay to do this. I'm not sure exactly which things. I don't really remember which ones are paid and which ones are free. But this icon up here, you can change it. I left mine alone just because I like it the way it is. Go to content, and this is where you can add like your Twitter, Facebook, all this stuff. You can go in here and add. You can add up to 5 services for free, and then anything beyond that is paid. You can see there's a lot of services on here that you can add. A lot of these I hadn't even heard of. I went and checked some of them out after coming to this website though. But I added like Foursquare, Facebook, FormSpring, Last.fm. I added quite a few. You can add a custom one over here. You go and manage these. You can rename these right here just by clicking on the little pencil. You can rearrange them, put them in different order. You can cancel, get rid of some if you want. You can refresh these services. Go back down here, design. This is your footer down here at the bottom, your contact. You can share this and click on that and share that with people. This right here will be the website here. The link is on the bottom unless you pay. I've got that taken off just for now. I kind of switch back and forth between having it on there. But you can click which of these two you want to add. You can change the position of this. The way I did my layout, I just think it looks better on the bottom right. You can do layouts. These top 4 I think are the only ones you get for free. Then you've got options within each layout. Right here, like I can change the size of my icons on the right, like this large. You can change them. I've had them for the most part colored, but I went ahead and changed that to monochrome for now. You can hide the titles if you want, which I do. If not, it's going to add those too. That's where you can change the names and all that. You can align those. You can show your first service on load, which I'll show you what that does in a second. These are the different layouts right here. I use the sidebar layout. You can change, there's different color palettes here. You can customize yours, which I did. You can go in and just change each thing that you want and just mess around with those a little bit. You can change your fonts. You can pick whichever font you want. You can go in here and resize those, however you want to do that. Just click and drag. You don't need to really know any HTML or anything like that. The site's really, really simple. You can change the footer. You can change background. I've got several different images here. Once you pick one, you can do normal, you can tile it, you can do full screen. Now full screen, there's not any options along with that, but if you choose one of these other ones, you can align it however you want. Just really, really simple. You can do scrolling, fixed, whatever. With this particular image, full screen works best, so that's what I do. Then you can do promote. You can share this with friends and followers. This will give you like a direct URL that you can give to people, and you can submit your site to Google and Bing and all that, which I've also done. So like I said, it's a really, really simple, easy, very easy to use site. It's very customizable, definitely very, very cool. Like I said, I know most people have probably heard of About.me. It's kind of the same thing. I made that and I didn't use it at all. I signed in and was like, okay, this is kind of pointless, but like I said, this is a website I hadn't heard of, but to me, I think it's much, much better than the other ones like this. So definitely check this out. If nothing else, just use the free service and see if you like it, and if you use it enough. $20 a year is definitely not that much. So definitely check it out and let me know what you guys think. Thanks. So I sort of forgot to show you guys one of the main things I wanted to show you on this website. Don't really know how I forgot to do that. I guess I just got caught up in showing the design panel and all that. But the whole purpose of the website is basically what I forgot to show you. So once you add all these services on here, when people come and visit your site, you can like load up your Twitter and all these services like I showed you. You click each service and it's going to show you all of your Twitter updates. Go in and you can view all your YouTube videos. Just click it and go to whichever one you want. Got my daily booth right here. You've got my Tumblr post, like the one down here I did like a week or so ago, where I compared like the different things about iChat and FaceTime. Basically compared which was better and whatever. Posterous, Last.fm, Foursquare, my Facebook page that I made for my gaming stuff I haven't really worked on or anything yet, Formspring, Goodreads, which is like a cool website for letting people know books that you've read that are good and stuff like that, and which ones aren't very good. You got your Facebook here, which all this does is, this one actually doesn't show you your post. It just shows videos that you've added to Facebook. And dig.com is another one that just shows you stories that you've dug on there. There's lots of other services, but for now I've just added these few. So definitely check this out and add some services. Make sure that when you update, like once every week or so, go in and refresh your services on that one part that I showed you guys, because that's really important too. So check it out and let me know.